Guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Jonique, and in today's video we're gonna do an eyeshadow liner. This is gonna be a fun, cute, easy look to do. If you don't want to pack on a full face, or you just want to do a cute little fun festive look to just go out or go to a festival or anything, this is the perfect look for you. So stay tuned for the video. Okay, so today we're gonna do, like I said, the eyeshadow liner. We're gonna use the James Charles Morphe palette, and I love the color coordination with this palette, might I add. I think I want to do something like this blue. This blue is really pretty, so I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this look right here. Okay, so stay tuned. So I'm going to take my Instant Age Rewind eraser in the color golden brown, and I'm just rubbing it along my lid to act as a primer for the foundation that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to use my beauty blender, and I'm going to blend the concealer into my skin, and it's going to act as a primer for the eyeshadow. So I'm just blending, blending, blending. Then I'm going to go in with my angled brush. This is going to give me a precise handling when applying the concealer to my eyelid to give that liner effect. And it would also allow the eyeshadow to pop and give it that nice gradient. So I'm just gliding it along my eye. As you can see, I'm taking my time. Next, I'm going to pat the concealer into my skin, allowing it to get that nice even toned. And then I'm going to just repeat the process on the other eyelid. So next, I'm going to go in with the color Hello from the James Charles Morphe palette. As you can see, I'm gliding the eyeshadow on my eyelid. I'm also patting on the eyeshadow to give me a better hold and a shimmery look. I want it to look very radiant and very opaque. So I'm patting it on, and it'll give me a better gradient compared to just gliding it. I want to make sure I'm getting enough eyeshadow on so it looks bright and radiant. So I'm just basically gliding the eyeshadow along my eyelid. I'm pulling back my eye to give me a better handling with it. It'll help me to shape the wing that I desire. So this is a really easy, don't pull it back too much, but you want it to give it that effect. Due to I blink a lot, this is very helpful for me. So I'm basically just going to do the same thing to the other side and just repeat the process. So next, we're going to go in with the color Cape Cod. I love how beautiful and aesthetically pleasing this color is. I'm going to be using this color on the outer edge of my eyelid. The darker tone in the blue will give me a sharp aesthetic look, similar to a wing look, which will add and complement the Hello shadow beautifully. So I'm just basically doing the same thing to the other side, and we're just blending it out to give us that nice wing look. I really like this color. It gives you a nice blue undertones of blues, the greens. It's kind of like a midnight blue mesh. It's very magical and majestic, and it complements the blue eyeshadow perfectly. So next, I'm just going to go back in with the color Hello, and I'm just basically touching up the liner of anything that needs a little more, or just to add more product to the eye to give it a better pop. So I'm just doing the same thing to the other side. I'm liking how it looks. Next, I'm going to go in with my concealer. Now this is a cleanup phase. I'm going to glide the concealer along my shadow to give me that wing effect. As you can see, I'm holding back my eyelid to give me a better handling with the concealer. I'm not the best when it comes to concealing, but I like how it turned out. Just going back in with the color Cape Cod. I'm just basically cleaning up anything that I messed up in the concealer phase. I'm just adding more product to give a sharp, more precise liner look, because the whole purpose of a wing liner is for it to be nice and aesthetically sharp. So that's what I'm pretty much doing. As you can see, I'm doing the same to the other eye and just packing on the product accordingly. I'm doing the same. I'm going to clean up with the shade Hello, just blending out that shadow so it looks nice and clean. So I'm going in with my beauty blender. I'm blending out the concealer, pulling my eye back to give me a better handling, just blending it into the skin. And the more that I drag it back, the precise and more gradient the liner is starting to look. So just glide it. Yeah. So to finish off the look, we're going to go in with the Maybelline NY Great Lash in the color Very Black. So basically I'm just adding mascara to my eyes. I would suggest, if you are going to use lashes, be very careful, because due to the glue, it can wipe off the eyeshadow. So just be very cautious about that. If not, I would just suggest you just use mascara and it will give that same beautiful effect. So this is the final look. This is how I paired the look with my outfit. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.